Well, the constitution is under attack. This has been a recurring narrative for the Congress party as well as the opposition parties all through the Lok Sabha elections. And this was a narrative that also many political pundits believe that has worked for the opposition in the Lok Sabha elections. Now, bolstered by what has happened in the general elections, the opposition leaders continue to raise the issue. In the Samvidhan Sammelan that took place in Uttar Pradesh, the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, yet again renewed this attack on the Prime Minister, claiming that the constitution is under attack. And then he also went on to call the Prime Minister and take a dig at him. Listen in to what Rahul Gandhi said.
ये हिंदुस्तान के गरीब लोगों का प्रोटेक्शन है, किसानों का, मजदूरों का ये प्रोटेक्शन है। इसके बिना जैसे पहले होता था राजा महाराजा के टाइम में, जो मूड में आता था कर देते। वो मोदी जी मॉडल चलाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, महाराजा वाला, वो शहंशाह वाला मॉडल। हमने मोदी जी को ये करवा दिया। आप अपने आप को नॉन बायोलॉजिकल समझते हो, आप अपने आप को नॉन बायोलॉजिकल समझते हो, आप अपने आप को डायरेक्ट भगवान के साथ कनेक्शन समझते हो। रॉन्ग नंबर।
And remember, it's not just Rahul Gandhi. Other leaders like Akhilesh Yadav have also been saying time and again that Samvidhan is under attack in the country. But guess who is calling out not just Rahul Gandhi but also Akhilesh Yadav and all the opposition leaders? It's the BSP Supremo Mayawati, who has taken to the social media X in a series of tweets that she has put out, accusing the Congress party of double standards and also insulting the architect of the Samvidhan, Dr. Ambedkar. In fact, Mayawati goes on to say that the Congress party did not honor B.R. Ambedkar, big charge being levelled at the Congress party, going on to say that the Congress party didn't even accord the Bharat Ratna to Ambedkar. This is a big charge that has come in from Mayawati at a time when Rahul Gandhi has been saying that the constitution is under attack by the Modi government. Mayawati saying, why didn't the Congress party conduct a caste census when it was in power, instead of now attacking the Modi government and demanding for a caste census? Going on to say both SP and the Congress party are anti-reservation parties. So calling out the Congress party as well as the Samajwadi party, saying they are silent on the SC/ST sub-classification as well. They have not spoken on the issue, and saying that this is a message to all the supporters of the party, saying they must be aware of the Congress party and the SP's double standards on the issue. While this is the attack that came in from Mayawati, another constituent of the India bloc, the Shiv Sena UBT, has also backed Rahul Gandhi. All the opposition leaders have been saying the same, remember? And we have a reaction coming in from the Shiv Sena UBT, where Sanjay Raut has taken a dig, saying, Andh Bhakto ke Bhagwan. Take a listen.
मोदी भगवान नहीं है, ना कोई अवतार है। उनको झुका दिया है इस चुनाव में। भगवान का बहुमत चला गया और भगवान का सुदर्शन चक्र नहीं चला। हमारे नेतृत्व में, सभी के सामुदायिक नेतृत्व में, राहुल जी के नेतृत्व में, यहाँ उद्धव जी, शरद पवार साहब के नेतृत्व में, अखिलेश यादव जी के नेतृत्व में मोदी जी का जो अवतार कार्य है वो खत्म कर दिया। मोदी जी आप अल्पमत वाले भगवान हैं, वो भी अंधभक्तों के लिए, देश के लिए नहीं।
So this is the dig that came in from Sanjay Raut. This comes after Rahul Gandhi had also taken a dig at the Prime Minister, saying that the Prime Minister believed that he has a direct connect with the God, but now after the election results, he has been reminded that it was a wrong number. Such is the dig that is coming in. My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika, explain why this is extremely important, because the Congress party, the SP, has been attacking the BJP government time and again, saying the constitution is under attack. But the counter, not just from the BJP, but also coming in from Mayawati.
Well, absolutely, as Rahul Gandhi and the other Congress leaders have been continuously attacking the BJP government regarding the reservation issue for the OBCs, SC, STs, and also they are continuously alleging that it is the BJP government which is trying to attack the constitutional rights of the backward classes, and that's what is being repeated by Rahul Gandhi as well. As yesterday, he had addressed an event of the Congress Party, Samvidhan Samman Sammelan, in which he has once again pushed for the caste census, as the manner in which the Congress Party is attacking the BJP government by saying that they are not in favor of the reservation, they are against the reservation, and that's the only reason why they are also trying to attack the Constitution of India. Now it is being criticized by not just by the BJP leaders but also the BSP Supremo Mayawati, who has attacked the Congress Party regarding this entire issue, as she has mentioned that the Congress Party has never respected Baba Saheb Ambedkar, as she has mentioned that when he was alive, even after his death, no Bharat Ratna was being given by the Congress government at that point of time. So they have no right to speak about the Constitution or about Baba Saheb Ambedkar, as this is basically an insult to him. However, a counter has also come on the part of the Congress Party, as the Congress leader Udit Raj has also spoken about this entire issue, and he has said that Baba Saheb Ambedkar was the member of the drafting committee for the Constitution, and later on he also became the chairperson. So the manner in which Mayawati is speaking is absolutely wrong, as he has also alleged.
All right. So the Congress Party has dismissed what Mayawati has said, but Mayawati raising two questions. One, why was Ambedkar not accorded Bharat Ratna when the Congress Party was in power, and also asking why was the caste census not conducted. Yamika, thank you for joining us. The BJP has also been quick to hit back at Rahul Gandhi and the Congress Party, saying that they have allied with the Abdullahs. This clearly means they're keeping family above constitution.
आपने ये जो फैमिली फर्स्ट वाला मॉडल अपनाया है जम्मू कश्मीर में, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के साथ, अब्दुल्ला एंड सन्स के साथ जो गठबंधन किया है, जिसमें फैमिली अबाव नेशन, फैमिली अबाव पीपल, फैमिली अबाव संविधान रखा है, जरा एक बार बता दीजिए आपके फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स 370 लागू करना चाहते हैं, इसका मतलब एक बार तनिक इसका खंडन कीजिए। जिनका मॉडल परिवारवाद का हो, नवाबशाही का हो, इंडिया इंदिरा का हो, उनके मुंह से लोकतंत्र और संविधान की बात, मतलब शैतान जो है वो स्क्रिप्चर्स और शैतान जो है कुरान और गीता का पाठ पढ़ा रहा है, ऐसे लगता है।
Well, the Constitution is under attack. This has been a recurring narrative for the Congress Party as well as the opposition parties all through the Lok Sabha elections. And this was a narrative that also many political pundits believe that has worked for the opposition in the Lok Sabha elections. Now, bolstered by what has happened in the general elections, the opposition leaders continue to raise the issue. In the Samvidhan Sammelan that took place in Uttar Pradesh, the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, yet again renewed this attack on the Prime Minister, claiming that the Constitution is under attack. And then he also went on to call the Prime Minister and take a dig at him. Listen in to what Rahul Gandhi said.
ये हिंदुस्तान के गरीब लोगों का प्रोटेक्शन है, किसानों का, मजदूरों का ये प्रोटेक्शन है। इसके बिना जैसे पहले होता था राजा महाराजा के टाइम में, जो मूड में आता था कर देते, वो मोदी जी मॉडल चलाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, महाराजा वाला, वो शहंशाह वाला मॉडल। हमने मोदी जी को ये करवा दिया। आप अपने आप को नॉन बायोलॉजिकल समझते हो, आप अपने आप को नॉन बायोलॉजिकल समझते हो, आप अपने आप को डायरेक्ट भगवान के साथ कनेक्शन समझते हो। रॉन्ग नंबर।